guys and gals. This is going to be my new road I have not hit. This is going to be Rice Canyon Road, I think is what it's called. I'll put it on the thing, but I've never done this road. I've seen it a million gazillion times, and I've always wanted to do it, and I've never done it, and I'm going to hit it today. So, Rice Canyon Road. Now, I saw that this was just recently repaved, so this is going to be, you know, maybe nice, maybe not. I have no idea. You guys are on the ride with me for this one, because I have no clue. So all these turns, everything I'm doing is for brand new. I don't know this place for nothing. But this is basically in the Pala area. Pala Casino is over there, and instead of taking Pala Road, I heard that this is another one that you can take, and it kind of takes you to Rainbow, all the area from San Diego and then Temecula. But you know, I've heard about this road, I've just never done it. So I figured, you know what, guys and gals, let's go ahead and do it. And it looked like it was somewhat fun, considering that it was just repaved. That's the one reason why I'm really doing it, because being brand new paved means a little smoother for you and I. So far I can see that it's just a kickback road so far. No crazy intersection so far. And I don't know about speed traps or anything like that, so, but I will tell you, this is absolutely a beautiful road here to hit. Very beautiful, really nice, very kickback. Seems like there's like little, you know, indicators for everything. I can imagine doing this at night. See, I like seeing that right there. Next 3 miles, it's not straight. That's what us motorcycle riders like seeing. We don't like seeing the 30 right there. Oh, okay. Now that paved, now we're done. So let's hope that the rest of this road is not bumpy or has big old chips or divots or anything like that. And like I said, we're going to find out together. So far, this looks really nice. Pretty kick back. Left, it looks like. Okay, never mind. I have no idea. Okay, there you go. I'm like, where is it going? There's a hole, don't want to hit that. There's a pole, you don't want to hit that either. Kind of reminds me of a flat Hoosier Canyon. If you have not seen that in my other video, Hoosier Canyon is definitely one of my favorite roads. It's actually right next to this one, right before I turn left. And you went straight, it'd be right there off of the 76. But yeah, this seems like a fun little getaway ride here. This seems really nice. Oh. Whoa. All right. that got my attention. Now I'm like looking all over now for it. Neighborhood watch. We're watching you. Come through our county, you hoodlums. You know, if there's no traffic like I'm hitting right now, what a fantastic little back road. You know, I mean, obviously you can see there's not a lot of guardrails and stuff, so I wouldn't be stupid here. I mean, look, you got trees left and right. If you lost control, you're wrapping your car around a pole, you know? But here, right there, it says 15 miles per hour, so I'm assuming there's going to be some debris on this one as well. Oh, this is a hard right. Oh, with debris. And I slid. Oh, that's all right, though. Years of riding motorcycles. If your back tire doesn't slide on you, when it does, you know, and I'm sorry, but you gotta have it so one time or another happen to you, so you understand what it feels like. But that was a pretty good little slide right there. What a fun little ride, though. And again, guys and gals, that's why I do these type of videos. Maybe, again, you're in the Southern California, San Diego area, and you're just tired of doing the same old rides. That's why I do these fun videos. It's not only a hobby for me and my own little way of getting away from things, but, you know, it's just fun. And maybe you want to go do a ride yourself and have fun here. It looks like to me, I think this is going to be almost it. I'm pretty for sure I think this is it. Because I know it connects with Rainbow. And I think when it connects with Rainbow, I think that's it. So, but I'm not for sure. We're going to find out. Camino Rainbow. Okay. So now, guys, remember I was telling you that we were in Rainbow? Oh, here it is right here. Yeah, Rainbow Valley. So now we're back with Rainbow Road. Historic 395. So if you ever got busy or 15 is slammed and you're trying to get into Temecula, you can actually take this through Rainbow right here to get around it. It is a little sideline little thing here. Guys, I think I'm just going to call that quits. It's going to be a shorty but a goodie. Really nothing hardcore. I just wanted to kind of have fun with a short road. Normally I don't ever do short ones, and I felt like, hey, seen it on a map and I said, why not give it a whirl? So it's short, but hey guys, it's content, and it might be a road again that maybe you have never done. So again, as normal, and every single time I say, if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe or share it or do all that stuff. I hate saying all that stuff. I'm tired of it, you know. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I just do this for fun. But, you know, it's just fun having certain little fun stuff happen, and you get a like, you're like, cool, that's awesome. Anyways, thanks guys, take care, ride smart, be smart, and don't do drugs. And of course, one of these days you got to take a ride through Rainbow. All right, take care guys, see ya.